Hi, it's Lan from Google Tech, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix your Coleman 10 clip with 3D printing. Okay, so I have Coleman 10 like this, and one of them get broken. Let me show you where it is. Should be here. You see, it's supposed to be like this, but one of the rain and the wind hit it up, so it become like this one. Like you can see here. So what I did is I designed some similar clip from this one, but the problem of this is that you have to sew it in, so I make it another way, which is easier for us to attach this clip into this hook of the tent. So what you're gonna do is first we cut this off, the broken one. Okay, let me see, like this. Then you can use your 3D print and one of the cable tie clip. This one of this. You put the cable tie through the hole, and then we hook it inside this one, so that you can hide the knot inside here. Okay, we just put it long enough like this. Okay, and then we want it to go inside here. We want it inside here. So when I cut it like this, see, the knot gonna be hidden inside the wire here, the cable here. Just need to cut the inside part off with we have a brand new clip. So let me show you how it hooks to the stick like this, and then it works like the old clip like this. So I put this file in the description. You can download it and print it for yourself and fix your thing. Thank you for watching my video, and if you find it interesting, you could subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy making!